Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best caviar maker is probably one of the most intriguing kitchen gadgets you'll ever encounter. Today, we're diving deep into the world of caviar, exploring the tools and techniques needed to craft this luxurious treat at home. From selecting the finest roe to mastering the delicate salting process, we'll uncover everything you need to know to create your own exquisite caviar experience. Number 5. Molecular Gastronomy Spherification Kit. This kit allows you to create spherified caviar at home. It includes everything you need to get started, making it easy to impress your friends and family with this unique culinary technique. The ingredients are non-GMO, vegan-friendly, and OU kosher certified. This ensures the highest quality and allows anyone to enjoy it, regardless of dietary restrictions. The kit is made with the highest quality ingredients, assured by strict Orthodox Union certification standards. You can be confident in the safety and quality of what you're using. It comes with complete instructions, recipes, and troubleshooting tips. This makes the process simple, even if you're new to molecular gastronomy. With this kit, you can make up to 17 cups of caviar. It's perfect for parties or simply experimenting in the kitchen. Prepare to amaze your family and friends with this unique and delicious culinary creation. They'll be impressed with your skills and the innovative results. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who prioritize ethical and dietary considerations. It's non-GMO, vegan, and OU kosher certified, ensuring the highest quality ingredients. If you are looking for a caviar maker that aligns with your values and provides clear instructions, this is the one for you. What people say. The caviar maker is easy to use. It makes perfect caviar every time. The design is sleek and modern. Number 4. Rapid Molecular Caviar Maker Kit. Introducing the Rapid Molecular Caviar Maker Kit. This innovative tool will transform your dishes. It saves you valuable time and effort in the kitchen. With this kit, you can create up to 96 caviar spheres at once. It's designed to make the process simple and efficient, perfect for any food professional. The kit comes with complete instructions. It also includes troubleshooting tips to ensure perfect results every time. You'll be making beautiful caviar in no time. This kit contains enough ingredients for 17 cups of spherified liquids. It provides everything you need to experiment and create a wide variety of flavors. This is a must-have item for restaurants, caterers, and other food professionals. It's the perfect tool to elevate your culinary offerings and impress your guests. What we like. This kit is designed for efficiency and volume. It allows you to create a large batch of caviar spheres quickly. If you're a restaurant owner, caterer, or food professional needing to produce caviar in quantity, this will be your go-to choice. What people say. Great little gadget, with plenty of the reagents you need to make lots of little balls of things. We made spherical guacamole for a guacamole contest, and it was a hit. Works exactly as described and a good deal too. Number 3. Caviar Maker Box, Spherification Spoon, Kitchen Tool Kit. This kit is perfect for creating culinary masterpieces. It includes everything you need to make delicious dishes and fish roe. It's a must-have for any home chef. The tools are made of high-quality stainless steel. This ensures they are durable and will last for years to come. You can rely on them for all your cooking needs. The spherification spoon is designed for easy use. It's handheld and measures 17 centimeters long and 4 centimeters wide. This allows you to create perfect spheres every time. The kit also includes an egg strainer. It's perfect for separating egg whites from yolks. This is essential for many recipes. This kit is suitable for various settings, including home kitchens and restaurants. It's designed to help you create a wide range of dishes. It's a versatile tool for any culinary enthusiast. What we like. This set offers a practical and versatile approach to spherification. Made from durable stainless steel, it includes a spoon and egg strainer for various kitchen tasks. If you are looking for a multifunctional tool that simplifies the process and enhances your culinary creativity, you should consider this. What people say. Exactly what I wanted. Not going to use it for caviar, but will be perfect for getting seed and debris out of ferments. Number 2. Perfect Caviar Maker, Molecular Gastronomy. This is the perfect caviar maker, designed for molecular gastronomy. It's perfect for creating spherified caviar, making your dishes stand out. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use. You'll find it easy to handle, even during extended use. Features replaceable O-rings for a tight vacuum seal. This design prevents drips, a common issue with plastic syringes. It can also be used to make gel noodles, expanding its culinary possibilities. This tool is a must-have for any creative chef. Constructed from stainless steel and food-grade polycarbonate. This ensures a long product life, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen. What we like. This caviar maker focuses on precision and durability. It features an ergonomic handle and replaceable O-rings for a tight seal. If you like a tool that offers both comfort and reliability, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to make drops for the boba. This is way better than pipettes. It comes apart for easy cleaning. Number 1. Spherificator plus free Modernist Pantry Spherification Spoon. With this tool, you can create beautiful caviar-shaped pearls. It is perfect for adding a unique touch to your dishes and drinks. This is a great way to impress your guests. This device is incredibly efficient, producing up to 700 pearls per minute. It's perfect for high-volume applications. It will save you a lot of time in the kitchen. The set includes a stainless steel spherification spoon. It's designed specifically for spherification by Ferran Adria. This spoon will help you create perfect spheres every time. This is ideal for chefs, bartenders, and anyone interested in molecular gastronomy. It's a fun and exciting way to experiment with food. It is a must-have tool for creative culinary endeavors. The product is designed to be user-friendly and easy to clean. You'll be able to create amazing dishes without any hassle. It's a simple process that anyone can master. Please note that this item cannot be returned if the plastic wrapping seal has been broken. Make sure you are satisfied with it before opening. Thank you for your understanding. What we like. This product is all about speed and ease. It creates up to 700 pearls per minute and includes a specialized spoon. If you are a chef, bartender, or foodie interested in molecular gastronomy techniques and want a high-speed, user-friendly tool, you should consider this. What people say. The caviar maker is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern. It makes perfect caviar every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.